this is Manjeet Kaur. I hope so everyone is doing well. So I'm an IELTS trainer and provide online session for the IELTS academic and for IELTS journal training. So those students who are interested to take online session for the academic or journal, they can enroll for my sessions. I provide the one-to-one personal session and also the group session. So it's choice of a student for those who want to enroll. So in this video, I am going to show you how to write down the bar chart for the task 1 academic. So exactly task 1 is, in academic task 1 is only a worthy of 33% of your writing task. So it needs only 20 minutes to spend time on it. You will get 1 hour to write down the task 1 and task 2 in the writing paper. So you need to spend only 20 minutes on here and 40 minutes you can spend on the writing task 2. As it only consists band 3 bands, so you don't need to spend a lot of time on here. So what exactly task 1 is? Task 1 is to summarize the whole information whatever they will provide you. They can provide you any bar chart, they can provide you pie chart, graph, line graph, and diagram, process, flow chart. They can provide you any. So you need to write down task. You need to summarize the information and then you need to write down. So as you can see, this is the bar chart. In task 1, we need to write down only 150 words. This is a minimum words you need to write down. You can increase the word. It is best that if you write down 160 to 170 word. It is best. Okay. So let's start with how you can write down this bar chart. Exactly, when you write the writing task 1, you need to write down firstly that is your intro. Second is your overall. And third and fourth is your information that is exactly shown in your chart. So we need to make 4 different paragraphs. In 4 different paragraphs, first thing you need to remember that these all paragraphs should be interrelated with each other. It doesn't mean like you start first paragraph from in intro and second paragraph is starting from somewhere else. So it's kind of a break. Okay, so you need to be in a flow. We don't need to write down an intro very long. So it's enough that if you write down 30 to 40 words. That's enough. Overall, that exactly you need to check out in your chart what exactly overall it's showing. So firstly, let's discuss how you can write down the introduction. In introduction, they will provide you a heading. As you can see here, this is the heading. Heading is this bar chart is showing the gross domestic product into different sectors. One is in IT and then second is the service industry and the country is UK. Okay, so you need to just, whatever heading they will provide you, you need to just rephrase that heading and write down as your introduction. That's only you need to do. Nothing else you need to do. So for example, in this heading is gross domestic product from IT and service industry of UK as a percentage of GDP. So how we can write down this? How we can rephrase this line? So you will rephrase like this. This chart considerably illustrates the information, the domestic product information of IT and service industry of UK from 1994 to 1998. That's only the information. That's only the introduction you need to write down here. Means you need to just summarize this heading. You need to rephrase this heading. After all, you can add on the words. For example, as I did that this chart is showing the information from 1984 to 1998. So you can add this in this rephrasing heading. After that, second part is overall. First is intro. Now you need to write down overall. How you can write down the overall? Exactly in this whole chart, whatever it's showing means what exactly it's showing. that if you see this one plain one is your IT, and this with the lines, this is your service industry. So if we see, the IT industry keep growing, whereas this is also keep growing. But what is the difference? That service industry is less growing as compared to IT industry. So this is our overall. We need to write down overall. If it is growing trend, then you need to write it is in growing. If you need to down like it is decreasing or declining, then you need to write down declining trend in the overall. So overall makes if it is, this is a simple chart. This is not a complicated chart. So overall will be only of 2 or 3 lines here. But if you have like another bar chart and then also pie chart with them, and another line chart, that is a little bit tricky, so your overall will become a little lengthy. So overall depends on the information, the length of the overall. And then now next is our information, that is the part third paragraph and fourth paragraph, how you can write down. In the third paragraph you will write down about the IT industry. In the fourth paragraph you will write down about the service industry. As you can see in these last 2 paragraphs, you need to give the detailed information what is mentioned here. So in this we write down step by step, like in the 1994 the IT industry has 8% of the GDP, and 1995 it is 10%, and 1996 it is the 12% or 14%. So we need to write down every detail in the third and fourth paragraph, the detailed information of everything. So this is all about the writing task 1. But you need to keep in mind how you can improve the score. So you need to firstly, that is the coherence and cohesion. What is coherence and cohesion? Cohesion is your task achievement. How much task you achieved? Did you get the information properly or not? So firstly, examiner will check your coherence and cohesion, that did you cover all the area of the chart or not. So this is the first, means where you get the band. Second, examiner will check your grammar. It is right or not. Third is your vocab. So you need to cover coherence and cohesion, means like this should be your structure to write down the task. The structure should be, details should come included in part 3 and part 4, paragraph 3 and 4. First is intro, overall. And then you need to be practically, grammarly correct. And then the fourth one is vocab. This task, we will write down in the formal. We write down this in formal. We need to use more formal vocab here. So you need to cover your vocab, you need to cover your grammar, and then coherence and cohesion. So this is about the bar chart. For the leftover chart like pie chart, line graph, bar chart and pie chart, both I will keep posted on. And you can also join my classes to improve your band and to get good band in the IELTS exam. So this is for today. I hope you get it. Thank you. Have a nice day.